What's up guys, V here, and in today's video I got another build that I'm super excited to share with you guys. Now the reason that I'm super excited is because GFuel actually sponsored this video, and this PC build is actually for GFuel. They contacted me about a month ago to build them a custom PC with some of their cans inside of the build. Now, with this build, I really wanted to do something unique, at least for me, something I've never tried before. So this is going to be my first build with the Hyte case, and most of these parts I've never used in the past, besides like the CPU and a couple other things. I figured I'm going to go with a lot of NZXT parts, just for that aesthetic, because I know they make a lot of clean parts, and I figured with the Hyte case, because it has those clean lines and the panoramic glass, I figured, you know, it'll be the best option to sort of show off the cans inside the build and just everything else. I have all the parts laid out on screen if you're interested in that, but other than that, the one thing I gotta say, unfortunately, most of my audio for some reason had a loud buzzing sound. So I decided to just make this video a sort of music video. So the build is gonna be with music. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the building sounds and stuff because of that buzzing sound, and it's a shorter video. I hope you guys enjoy either way though. I do appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe. Now, with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Well, there it is in its final form. This was my first time building in the Hyte case, and honestly it was a lot of fun. The build process was pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. However, adding the cans and getting creative with all that took a couple days actually to think about and how to properly do it. So I used a Strimer cable from Lian. I split those up, and I have them sort of pulling energy through them into the case, and then that can over there is actually a fake can that I made up and sort of glued together. I put some RGB strips in there, and now it lights up, and I figured it'd be fitting to put powered by GFuel at the top, just to sort of continue that on the outside of the case. All the components, everything worked together absolutely beautifully. No RGB issues, no issues otherwise. Everything seems to be running very smooth. Overall, I gotta say the NZXT parts in this case was a really solid idea, just because it's almost like a perfect match. Just the overall aesthetics, and it just looks so good, especially in person. I know the inside of the case is a bit dark right now, and that's just the way my camera's picking it up, but in person you can clearly see everything. And I'm not going to be removing the protective film, which is slightly giving it a haze, and the reason for that is because I'm not sure if I'm shipping it or what I'm doing, and I don't really want to get this glass scratched up. That being said, let me know what you guys think of this build in the comments down below. I hope you like it as much as I do, and I hope GFuel likes it even more. This was an honor to work with them. That it's been truly amazing. So super excited for them to see this in person and let me know what they think. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this type of content, feel free to subscribe. It's always free and much appreciated. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. And with that, my name is V, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.